So about trading Forex. So what you have is basically you have a platform. Okay. And then what you need to do is, suppose I chose this one, IG US demo. Some of them don't have US. It's only for outside of US. I guess this video is for beginning Forex people or just trading online. So you just open a demo account. So after that you have this page. Your demo account is now active. Okay, this one $10,000. Now keep in mind, this is not like trading stocks, not like normal trading. You put money and it goes up or down. Normally Forex has leverage, so it's kind of like amplified. It's kind of amplified. So suppose, so you don't buy a lot, you buy very little. Suppose there is this platform. Okay, so what do you have? You have a chart. I chose euro. And if I use the wheel on my mouse, I can make it more squeezed. So what do you have? Euro here. This is a chart based on daily. So if you change to weekly, this is weekly. Now weekly means this should have 1 week, one movement like this. Now if you trade, many people believe one thing, some people believe some other thing. I do believe actually in stochastics, just to show. So you would need to add some kind of indicators. This platform I never had. I decided to show. I'm kind of in some sense beginning guy for this particular platform. I'm looking for indicators, but I don't see them. They should be somewhere. I was using like MT4, MT5. But some don't have MT4, MT5. They have like this kind. But anyway, I think indicators somewhere. Somewhere they should have indicators. On MT4 they have here. But anyway. So anything you do. So this is big movement. Normally you see it goes like that and back and this and this, this and this. Basically it has certain way to go up or down. And some people observe you know, it's called technical analysis. But later I took some education. Many times you don't need to even look at technical analysis. You can. Suppose I don't see any tools. Where's the tools? I don't see any tools. Where to get tools? Anyway, I need to find tools. Normally you would have like, suppose it's called like moving average, and they have trend lines. So for instance, if this go up, at some point it will go down. So you most likely you need to enter here, like here. You see like hammer, you see the green hammer, after that it goes up. Oh, that one, spinning one. Sometimes it could be hammer, sometimes spinning. This is reverse hammer. But this one chart is on weekly. I know some pro traders, they're saying they look at daily chart. Daily chart it's for stock trading. They use daily chart. I actually, when I look at money, I actually look at weekly or even monthly to understand the picture. Because stocks, they can close the stock. It could be bankruptcy. But most likely for euro it will not be bankruptcy. It will not be, unless everybody knows. So I can look at those long kind of moves like that. Now this is euro. Sometimes it looks strange because Americans, they stopped using gold for the dollar value, and but euro kind of on the side of gold. But gold recently went up. To me, euro should go up. I don't know what Americans are doing. Yeah, gold is going up. It's like $2,300 for 1 ounce, but this one is, if Europe should be more sticking to gold, then it should be sticking to gold. But my honest opinion, I feel actually more comfortable to trade this one, Swiss franc. So I don't need this one. I don't know how to move. You see, I was using an MT4, MT5. This is something different. Well, anyway, monthly chart. This one, USD versus. You see, and Swiss too. Swiss normally it goes with gold, but this is some kind of tweak here. I don't know what is it. So what you do is, basically what I do, I look at monthly chart, then weekly. To me this will not go too far. I can expect shorting here. Shorting means buying. You see like this appearing, it's appearing on weekly chart. To me this is gonna go down. Suppose I short. So I okay. How much? Size. Because I have 10 grand, I can afford one lot. Don't put too much. Don't buy too much. Otherwise you'll lose all your money. Suppose I trade one lot. So what I do is basically right now one lot, it's like this price, but it's amplified, so don't buy too much. So to me, honestly, if I look at weekly, okay, what do? Sell it. I just sell it. One lot. It's kind of early decision, but it's okay. So what I have is this spinning thing. Normally they say safe is 1 to 3. So suppose if I look at 4-hour chart, okay, so suppose this is 9.5. They call them pips. What you do is you need to have stop. This is new platform. Anyway, you have, suppose here stop. So from here 253, suppose I am okay with double. It means it would be 500 somewhere here. Put 500. So that would be one part. And to take profit, some do 2, some do 3. So 250, it would be 0, and minus 250, suppose 75 here. So that's my goal, to take profit if I sell. So here take profit, here stop loss. Now this is technical way of trading, which many times actually banks don't use that. They don't use that. The use is like this one, news. They use news. Beside that, they use economic calendar like this. They use economic calendar. Now you need to, like, if this one, you see region, some of them they announce news in Europe. For them it's morning, for you it is evening, late night. And some important, you see, like impact. So on this high impact like this. Now this is high impact, it means you expect bigger move. Medium is medium move. High impact, that's higher move. So what you do is you need to know how to read. Okay, let's say for America. Now if you're in California, if they announce news, let's say 8, 9 in the morning, you need to wake up early. In Hawaii, forget it, you need to -3, it's like you can do until probably 2 a.m. or something, if you're okay with it. Otherwise you need to trade foreign market when they open there, because some markets are American, some markets are European, like this UK. So for UK, probably here will be at night and they have opening.